Welcome to HOS Technologies. Here we are demonstrating solar tracking system with street light controlling. So we are using PIC microcontroller. We interface the two LDRs, light dependent resistors, to the PIC microcontroller. So in order to find the sun angle. So whenever the sunlight is coming from east to west, so this light will get the more sun intensity than this one. So then automatically my DC motor will control the solar panel system towards the sunlight. So here we are using the 10 rpm PM DC motor. So these are the 4 solar panels connected in series, each solar panel of 3.5 volts. So total 14 volts, which is sufficient to charge this 12 volts battery. So once the battery getting fully charged on, it will operate the microcontroller. So we have the another charging source. So this is a transformer. So just this is a solar panel supply. Just unplug this solar panel from here and connect the transformer. So here, and connect the power cable. So then this battery will get fully charged. So it will take around 8 hours to full charge. So on coming to this charging circuits, and here this is a black IC is a DB107. So and from here capacitor. So this is DB107 full wave rectifier. So though we are getting DC, so if is there any wrong connection, is there any wrong polarity, so then this rectifier will rectify that and give the pure DC, and it is given to the battery charging circuit. So from here we are going to give the supply to the main motherboard. So and you are using the L293D IC to control this DC motor, and here it has this black IC is called L293D, and another black IC is called 7805 voltage regulator. So it will give the 5 volts output to this PIC microcontroller, and this transistor will control the lights. So here we are using the 2 lights as a street light purpose. Whenever the darkness is occurred on these 2 LDRs, indicating as a night, and these 2 lights will be on automatically, and whenever the sunlight is there, automatically off. So let us see the demonstration. So when you switch on this kit from the switch, so directly it will went to the east position and towards that side, and so starting 2 lights will be on and off, nothing but operation is going on. Right, it touches the limit switch. You can see that once it touches the limit switch, it will stops over there. And coming to the sunlight, we are using the light LED. So whenever this moving, so in this direction, right. So at this time, this lights will be off as the sunlight is placed one. So and coming to this next, when it's onto the west side completely, so this notch will touch this limit switch. Whenever it touches the limit switch, automatically it is indicating as a west side, and it will go to the initial position again. Right. Okay. So then the darkness will occur, automatically the lights will be on. So in this way the project will work. So we are using the PIC microcontroller motherboard. So let us see the description of this motherboard. It is a master reset button to restart the microcontroller. So when you press this, the system will be getting restart, and these 5 pins are to load the program into the microcontroller, and this light is a power indication to the motherboard, and this light